Hi everyone, this is Zany from Keep It Zany. Growing up, breakfast eggs were very simple, fried, boiled or omelette. Since then, I have learned so many different options. Today, I'm so excited to share with you eggs Royale and eggs Florentine, two very special breakfast dishes. Let's get started. Basically, eggs Royale and eggs Florentine are very similar. Eggs Royale has smoked salmon into it, and we sauteed spinach to put it on eggs Florentine. So the entire process is the same. We will make homemade Hollandaise sauce as well. I'm going to show you how to poach eggs today. I am simmering water over a medium flame. We're not going to boil it. We're just going to simmer the water. And to the simmering pot of water, I am going to add splash of vinegar to it. Pinch of salt. Now the fun part comes. I am going to crack eggs one at a time. I'm going to do 2 eggs today. Best is to crack the egg in a strainer, just like that. The key part before adding egg is to swirl the water with a spoon few times. It's swirling, and I'm going to add this, and make sure you guys put a timer for about 2.5–3 minutes. Okay, it's about time. And look at this. I'm going to be taking this beautiful poached egg out, and it's best to set it aside on a paper towel till we make the Hollandaise sauce and also before we assemble. Now for eggs Florentine, I am going to saute some spinach. So heat a medium to small skillet over a low flame, add little bit of avocado oil, and we're going to saute just a handful of spinach. That's all we need. So we have poached the eggs, sauteed the spinach, and obviously we're not going to do anything with smoked salmon. We're just going to use as is. Next up, heating up a cast iron skillet, or you can use any other skillet, and make sure it's warm enough as we're going to warm up some of the muffins. Check these out. These are really fresh muffins. I'm going to just use a little bit of butter. Okay, here you go. Just keep an eye on these. You don't want them to get burned or anything. Okay, let's flip them up. Look at this beautiful color. Warm up from the other side also. Now let's make the Hollandaise sauce. We are using a double broiler method. So simmer a little water in a saucepan and place the heat-proof bowl on top, making sure it doesn't touch the water. I have cracked 2 eggs and separated the yolks, which we will use for this recipe. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter to the bowl. We're going to add a pinch of salt, pinch of cayenne pepper, and splash of lemon juice. Whisk it. Make sure there are no lumps. Check out the consistency. This looks really good. We have to whisk it for a few minutes till we get the desired consistency. Let's assemble. For eggs Florentine, we're going to put sauteed spinach Royale. We're going to be doing smoked salmon. Now the poached egg goes on top of this that we made earlier. We will whisk up the homemade Hollandaise sauce one more time before we put it on top. To garnish, we're going to use some of the chives, just a little bit of this. And for salmon, I would prefer to put a little bit of cayenne just for that kick. And voila, our eggs Royale and eggs Florentine are done. Hope you enjoy it. Now the taste test, my favorite. Check this out. This is what I'm talking about. Ooh. Test. Mmm. So delicious. You gotta try this recipe. It's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, keep it zenny. Take care. Bye-bye.